Want to test your high ticket offer without wasting thousands on ads or building a massive funnel? In this video, I'm going to show you how one of our clients used just £150 to get clear answers about their offer. And then they started booking in calls without rebuilding anything. And if you want the exact ad copy and targeting guide that we gave to them to do it, just drop the word test below. I can send this over to you. Hi, I'm Tina from tinasanford.com. Now, we're finding most clients coming to us after their ads and funnels actually failed right now. Now, we've been doing this video ad with funnels for 2 years now. And what we do is we take what's already working and we turn it into book calls for them. And if you want, if it's a fit, we could do the same for you too. Now, we're finding a lot of business owners believe that the only way to test an offer is to build the whole thing out, write a funnel, run a webinar, send the emails, launch the ads, and then they just hope it works. And that belief makes testing feel big, heavy, and expensive. Well, it is expensive, and it actually slows everything down. And it can actually stop a lot of people from launching at all, even if they do have a really good idea. Now, you might be in that spot right now where you've got an idea or a strong offer, but you feel stuck because like testing it right now feels like a mountain. But I want you to believe instead is this: you don't need a perfect funnel to test an offer. You just need a clean way to see how people respond to your offer really fast. I want to tell you about Sam a minute, actually, because Sam, a client of ours, had a really high ticket offer. He'd already built everything, okay? He had the sales page, he had the webinar already out there, he had emails, he had the whole funnel, yeah? And then he ran cold traffic to it. He spent actually £1,200 more or less, and he got absolutely nothing, okay? Not even one call. He had a few clicks, yeah, but no momentum at all. And that's actually really hard because when you put in all that work and nothing happens, it's easy to start second guessing everything. And so, like most people, he thought that the ads were the problem. So he rewrote the copy, he changed the targeting, and he tested lots of different graphics. Spent a lot of time, yeah, but nothing actually changed. And it's because the problem wasn't actually the ads themselves. It was the fact that people didn't really understand the offer. They didn't have the clarity to understand what it was he was offering, okay? And I want to share something with you. Think about this, okay? If 100 people see your offer and nobody bites, do you think showing it to 1,000 will actually do it? No, it just costs you more money, okay? And that's actually quite hard to hear. I know if you've actually spent a lot of money testing, but it's actually one of the most freeing things when you really get it. So anyway, with Sam, we ran what we call the 150, well, it's $1 test from our mentor, but we call it the £150 offer validation test. And all it is one simple ad. There's no funnel. It goes straight to a DM, direct message, or to a call link, okay? And I know what you're kind of thinking probably, can I get something that small to actually give me the right answers? Well, yes, it can. It's actually a really good proven strategy. People use it all the time. And in under, I think it was like about 11 days, Sam had the real feedback that he actually needed. And he could see which part of his offer made the people take action. And he could also see what didn't land with them as such. And that's what gave him the clarity he needed to actually present this offer in a way that his ideal clients understood and then wanted. And once he had that, everything then just changed because he focused on what worked. Yeah. We ran a second ad, he booked 3 calls in, and from that same £150 test, he just got everything working. And if I remember rightly, the belief that Sam used to have was, I need the full funnel to know if this will work, But now he knows better, okay? And so do we, obviously, yeah. So this works because, one, you save money. The second thing is you actually move faster because you're just testing one thing, you're not building the whole shebang. And you stop building around untested ideas, which is what's really expensive in this. And if you're tired of actually wondering whether your offer is actually good enough to actually attract your right kind of clients and actually strong enough to scale, and then you're ready to know for sure, just drop the word test below. And I can send you the exact pre-written ad and targeting guide that we gave to Sam. And you can run it this week and you can finally have the answers that you need without wasting more time or money. One small ad, big clarity. This is what it's about.